Hello and welcome to fourth episode of Charbhuja Marble presents Let's Discuss Designs. As festive season is approaching, here we bring you all some fresh ideas of designing and interior. For today we have Mrs. Sapna Agarwal with us, who is in this industry since last 20 years. It is our pleasure to have you, ma'am.
It's always a pleasure to be here.
Great. So, ma'am, let's begin the question, and I want to ask you, while putting out marble, एक floor पे घर के, so what do you prefer? We should go for multiple colors or single color will be good?
So I'll say that my personal choice would be single marble because it adds to that design continuity and a common thread आ जाता है. But then I would also say that sometimes it's the call of the design that I have to change the stones. Somewhere in the corporate offices, if I'm doing an experience center, probably, तो वो एक space ऐसा है जो may I come in है. उसको break करने के लिए मुझे वहाँ पे stone भी change करना है, मुझे पूरा design element भी change करना है. Only then I would change the stone. But yes, if the client is willing to change the stone and if he's hellbound कि नहीं, एक रूम का डिज़ाइन बिल्कुल अलग होना चाहिए तो हम चेंज करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है नहीं करते हैं. वॉशरूम्स में तो होता ही है चेंज, बट रूम्स में थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करते हैं. चाहें तो कर सकते हैं.
There was a time when people prefer using wooden flooring.
Correct.
So you think is it workable? अभी भी trending है, हम कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
Of course it is trending. Of course. I mean, I will say that it's quite a bit in fashion. It's not that something that it's not in fashion, and truly a blend of marble and wood looks awesome. In a lot of my projects, I have used stone along with wood even in one room, blending both of them together in flooring. It looks awesome. So it's not that it's not trending, it's just that pattern बदलते रहते हैं. जैसे आपके stone में बदलते हैं वैसे wood में बदलते हैं. तो पहले बिल्कुल सीधी सीधी चलती थी tiles, अब फिर herringbone आ गया. अब उसके बाद there are so many different styles of wood available. So it's not that it's not in fashion.
When it comes to designing washroom in offices and home, I am sure there must be many differences. So how to go about that?
Designing washroom is a very interesting area because it's one area which is personal to the user. So first and foremost, you need to understand the user. मतलब उसकी choices क्या हैं, and according to that, I think the design has to work around. Supposingly, I'm making a powder room. It could be like a den. It could be as dark as possible. I could just give one spotlight and let it be. मतलब I don't need to really lit it up. But when it comes to washrooms, जहाँ पे कोई master washroom है, वहाँ पे मुझे well lit भी चाहिए, मुझे mirror के around भी सारी lights चाहिए, तो एकदम ही design theme ही बदल जाएगी मेरी. And specifically master bathroom में या master washroom में दो बंदे use कर रहे हैं, तो his and her भी हो जाता है. Also catering to the needs of both. I think the designs can be various. आप colored stone के साथ play कर सकते हैं, plain stones पे play कर सकते हैं. I can combine two stones. It's been 20 years in this field, so I've done everything possible. I have combined various stones. I've used one stone. I've made it in a combination of stone and tiles. I've made it in a combination of wood and stone and wallpaper. So I've combined various elements to produce designs. So design is something, whatever you dream is a possibility. So how well you can dream is all about it. Correct?
Please tell me areas where you can use semi-precious or you would like to use semi-precious.
So semi-precious is one place where I think I like to use where I would like to bring in novelty. So countertops, maybe tabletops, artifacts for sure. I mean, some of the artifacts we've got it manufactured in semi-precious stones, and then at places which can be highlighted, probably like a backdrop in the bed wall, a counter which is a bar counter maybe, but I generally do not use semi-precious stone in larger quantities. I reduce the quantity and make it look like something which is precious. So if it's spread all across, then the whole idea goes away. Yeah. Sure. So a diamond will look good only if it's use minimum. If it's studded and overloaded, तो फिर वो beauty कहाँ गई ना? Beauty तो खत्म ही हो गई.
अगर हम किचन में मार्बल यूज करते हैं, then what color you prefer? White, grey or beige?
To me, here the functionality will be more important than form for sure. It has to be non-porous, it has to be non-permeable, absolutely, it has to be non-stainable and easily cleanable. So that will be my primarily important things to look at in the stone, and then I would look at the design aesthetics. So to me, I think functionality here will rule anytime, specifically in areas like kitchen, because hygiene बहुत major concern हो जाता है यहाँ पे. And then if my design permits, जैसे if I'm doing a kitchen in black and white, I'll rather do a grey countertop. If I'm doing a kitchen which is in supposedly champagne color, I'll do a dark brown countertop. So then it depends upon the design that I'm using in, and there is no preferred choices here. It's all that goes into the theme. So for example, as I said, if I'm doing a grey and white kitchen, then I can do a black countertop. But if I'm doing a grey and white kitchen, I'll never do a beige countertop. It's off the theme. So when I'm selecting materials or I'm making a mood board, as we call it in our terms, then I place materials together, see if they are blending together. It's not one material. It's just that how they speak to each other, how they are. एक स्टोरी बोलते हैं सारे मटेरियल्स जब इकट्ठे रखते हैं, तो वो अपनी एक स्टोरी बनाते हैं. वो स्टोरी कंप्लीट लग रही है मुझे मेरी आंखों से, तो हाँ. अगर वो मेरी आंखों से मुझे इनकम्प्लीट लग रही है या ऐसा लग रहा है ये तो बिल्कुल ही ऑफ जा रहा है, तो ना. तो उसमें कोई प्रेफर्ड चॉइसेस नहीं है कलर की. हाँ, फंक्शनली वो बिल्कुल ठीक होना चाहिए, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड. कलर वाइज आई कैन चूज. या द मोर द पैलेट यू ऑफर द बेटर.
Besides keeping in mind nature-friendly factor, what are the other things which you focus on while designing a home?
So I would say the only thing that we are talking about is aesthetics. Majorly, जो हम लोग ज़्यादातर बात करते हैं, but then aesthetics is one part of our design. There are other things like the spaces in metro cities are reducing. So it's a big challenge to manage the space. We don't have very, very big spaces here. So managing that space constraints, also looking at the functionality aspects, looking at maintenance, because it's not just about making it for the first time and leaving it, it's also about maintaining it over the period of years. Something that looks beautiful to my eye today and looks sour to me after a year is not worth putting. So it has to maintain that beauty for at least a decade.
ये सब डिज़ाइनिंग का पार्ट होता है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मार्बल, ग्रेनाइट, ये सब हम कहाँ से चूज़ करें? आई नो यू हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद चारभुजा मार्बल सिंस लॉन्ग, so what do you like about us?
I think our team is very dedicated. That's one thing I'll say straightforward, that their follow-up is very, very nice. Anytime the client visits, even if we call for samples at odd hours, आप लोगों ने हमेशा cooperate किया. So that's one thing that I will definitely appreciate about. Apart from that, the variety is very nice. So I get a lot of and you look for new things. That's very important, क्योंकि as designers हमें अपना पैले तभी हम वाइड कर सकते हैं. Our horizon can only widen only when we have more colors to play with. So you offer that material. आप हर बारी कुछ नया लेकर आते हैं, which is something very nice.
I've seen your social media. I know आप भी YouTube videos करते हो. So you think it's a good idea to put out your designs there, because I think people copy.
There's a very, very old saying that you can fool all the people sometime. You can fool some people all of the time. You can't fool all the people all the time. Right. Yeah? So it doesn't matter. So if you have your own individuality and you have your own standing, it doesn't really matter. देखो कॉपी तो करते हैं, हमें भी पता है. बाकी सब छोड़ो, हमारी पिक्चर्स उठा के उस पर अंसा हटा के अपना नाम लिख के हमें उसी में पोस्ट की होती है, सोशल मीडिया में पोस्ट की होती है. आई वुड सेंड देम अ पर्सनल मैसेज सेइंग कि ये हमारी है. बिल्डर्स डू इट. बिल्डर्स हमारी फसाड की पिक्चर्स उठा के एक कोई भी आर्बिट्री एड्रेस डाल देंगे, कमिंग अप दिस साइट, और वो साइट पे हम नहीं हैं, कुछ नहीं है हमारा, बट वो फ़ोटो हमारी यूज़ की जा रही है और सिर्फ उसमें हमारे नाम को फोटोशॉप करके हटा के अपना लगाया हुआ है. How does it matter, and where does cheating lead to? So actually it's a law of karma. आप ठीक करोगे तो ठीक ही होगा. हम ठीक कर रहे हैं तो हमारे साथ ठीक हो रहा है. अब जो गलत कर रहा है उसके साथ क्या होगा वो उसकी इच्छा. As I said, ultimately I believe a lot in meditation, a lot. So I totally believe कि if my vibration is correct, there is nothing wrong that can happen to me. So if my journey is correct, if all my karma is correct, then I don't have anything to regret. So अगर कोई कॉपी कर रहा है तो उसका कर्मा है, मेरा क्या जाएगा. As simple as that. Ultimately, social media has helped us. Ultimately, we get a lot of 90% of our business is reference, and we're working pan-India. We're working internationally on so many projects. In fact, I'm working with the finance head of Abu Dhabi. So These are not the projects which are small projects. I'm talking about very, very big scale projects that we are doing. We're doing land developments, we're doing hotels, innumerous. I don't want to name it here, but innumerous hotels we are doing right now. We're doing very, very big land developments. So ultimately, if our journey is correct, I don't really bother.
It was our pleasure to host you, ma'am. The knowledge which you shared is absolutely impeccable. Thank you so much and wish you a very happy Diwali.
I wish you a very happy Diwali and wish everyone a very happy Diwali.
Also, thanks to our viewers for watching the show. If there is any query, please put it out. We'll get back to you. And we'll be coming soon with the next episode. So keep watching, keep following. Bye.